In this video, we will install Visual Studio Code. Open google.com, search Visual Studio Code download. Open this link. Choose platform. I am installing it for Windows. Save exe file. Browse folder. Click Save. Run the installer. Accept license agreement. Do not install it in C drive. Change it to something else. I am changing it to D drive. You can click on Browse button to change folder. Click Next. Click Next. Select all options. Click Next. Click Install. Installation will take some time. Click Finish. You can change theme from here. Visual Studio Code is now up and running. This video is now complete. Please move on to next video.